Here is how to create a PlayStation account on your phone. First of all, you need to go ahead, open a web browser on your mobile device, Google Chrome if you're using Android, and Safari if you're using iPhone. Now, from the top of the screen, go ahead and search for PlayStation, or you can also directly go to www.playstation.com and open the official website of PlayStation. Now, from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the sign in button in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. And this will open a new page where you can go ahead and create an account or log into your account if you have one. As we're looking to create an account, we are going to go ahead and tap on create an account option, which is in the bottom. Tap on create, which is highlighted in blue color. Now simply select your country or region, which is required. Also select your language and then tap on next in the top. Now enter the date of birth, then tap on next in the top right corner and complete all the required fields to continue. Like you need to enter your specific email address and password and then re-enter your password in the bottom. Again, tap on next in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen instructions and also select your online ID. Then tap on next in the top and you can see the indication that the account was successfully created. Now you can go to the official website of PlayStation, enter your email address and your password, and then log in to your specific PlayStation account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.